Hi, I am Dr. Charu Goyal. I am the principal for the school PRG World School. Right behind me is the entrance for the school PRG World School. We started in the year 2015. Looking at the COVID norms, we are maintaining the 100% norms. We check the temperature of the students. The sanitizer is there and all the students are advised to use the mask and the parents as well. Now from the entrance, this is the drive, this is the parking area, and these are the transport buses that are maintained for the students. So students are given a proper transport facility. These are properly maintained buses for the school PRG World School. This area is a parking area. We've got a separate parking for the parents. This area is the parking for parents, and on the other side of the barricade there is a parking area for the students. This side is the students parking and this side is the staff parking. Now along with this parking area, there are these parking areas supported by the playgrounds. This is the football ground that we have, full-fledged football ground, and there are swings along with that. So in case the pre-primary or the smaller children want to go, they can have the advantage of using the swings from that side. Now the entrance for this football ground is from the side of the school, so that students can have an easy access to that. Football ground, we have got another provision of the sports area. So behind this parking area there is a cricket, a provision of cricket, playing of cricket. These are cricket nets. The students come and practice here. You can see the pitch there. There's a proper pitches that have been created and we maintain the nets here. So students go for cricket practice here in this cricket area. So the sports teacher brings the students. So if a student wants to play cricket, comes here. There are 3 pitches there and the nets there. We are entering the tennis courts. There are 2 pakka tennis courts and 1 sand court there. So students come and practice the tennis here. The whole school is surrounded by the pakka boundary wall. The school is surrounded by the pakka boundary wall, which has got a height more than 10 feet to maintain a proper security of the students. And this campus is an eco-green campus. We have always believed in greenery so that students grow to a healthy citizens. So the whole school is covered with the green trees there. So this area is the skating rink where the students practice the skating there, and we've got the skating periods in the morning. We go for their recreation in the morning, so students go for there's a skating coach who trains the students for the skating. The school is surrounded by the boundary wall on all the 4 sides. This is the boundary wall. Again, the height goes to more than 10 feet. So the students are secure from all the 4 sides. No chance. We do not take any kind of chance related to this. This is the play area for the smaller children. So we placed the swings, we placed the slides where they can have a good fun time, and because playing is equally important with the studies, so they come here and they have their fun time here. So these are the seesaws and different toys that have been put up. This is the assembly area where in the morning we have the assembly. And along with the assembly, this is a ground where the students go for PT also in the morning, because physical activity is equally important. And this is a view for the school. You can see the frontal view of the school. So that's the school. We've got 2 gates for the school. This one is being used by the parents and main people, and the second one is used only by the admin people. Now we are entering the main gate of the school. So this is the main gate of the school. The first thing that we need to maintain is the sanitation because of the COVID these days. So we've got a sanitizer along with the mandir here. So we inculcate this habit into the students to pray before they start the school. Now from here we start with the reception area. This is the waiting area where the parents come and they wait for whatever topics they've come here for. We've got a display of the trophies and medals which students have won, and that's a TV that continues to show the activities of the students around. Now that's the visitors area. Now in the visitors area, that's the reception. Reception where parents come for any kind of queries, and this reception area always motivates the vision of the school. This reception area always promotes the vision of the school, and the vision of the school is the child-centric school. This is a child-centric school. We believe into the child, and admin block of the school. This is the counselor's room. The counselor handles the queries of the students for the admissions. So that's the counselor's room. So counselor, now followed by the counselor's room, we've got two counselor's room. This is the second counselor room, so where the second counselor can work, and this is the accounts room, where all the accounts of the schools are maintained, the fees and everything related to accounts. Along with this, there is a photocopy machine also we put up, so in case we need to give anything to students. This is the principal's room. I, Dr. Charu Goyal, am the principal for the school, and the whole administration of the school is being managed from this room. So that's what you can see. We still try to maintain the greenery here too into the room. So that's where the principal sits. This is the card punching machine where teachers and every member of the school punches. Now from the admin block we are entering the school premises, the students area. This is the gallery where we've got the fire extinguishers in case of any emergency that comes up. These are the classrooms. So this is the first classroom that we are entering. Now the classrooms are properly lit, proper lighting arrangement is there. They got proper fans. We've got the notice boards where the students have put up their creations so that their creativity comes up. The school is, every classroom is covered by the CCTV camera so that there is no risk of any such thing happening. We've got proper cupboards where students can put their things, plus they can use the things, they can put their things into the cupboards in the desk. Every classroom has got an AC, and it's a proper whiteboard with, for teachers. There is a cupboard, table, chair, and the classroom has been properly organized. So that's another classroom that you can see. So every classroom is of the same setup. That's what you can see into this classroom. Now that's a gallery. We put up the notice boards in the gallery as well. Students have been putting up their creativities into the galleries. So that's one example they put up for World Heritage Day. We celebrate all the kind of days and activities. Now there's another classroom where students have talked of fundamental rights. There is you can see different boards and different creations of the students here. Now along with the classrooms, there are separate washrooms for boys and girls. Now that's the washroom for the boys, a well-maintained clean washrooms. So that's the urinal area for the boys, that's the sinks for washing of their hands. So that you can see there is a proper supply of water that is there in all the taps that you here. That's the urinal area that's for the boys washroom. And there is a proper exhaust that runs, so there is no kind of a suffocation that happens. So every washroom for boys, there is a proper exhaust fan running there. Exhaust. Now that's a drinking area. So we normally educate students also to save the water, and that's a proper drinking area where students can come and have water. Maybe during the recess time or any time when they want, they can have the drinking water. Teach them through graphic media also. We've got AV rooms in the school. Now that's a AV room where teachers use this for showing the video part or the graphic part of the education, because we all know that it's not the rote learning that we're talking of these days. We talk of audio visual, which is a very big mode of learning these days. That's the audio visual room for the school. Now there is a girls washroom on the opposite side. You can come, that's an art and craft room. Now that's the girls washroom with the same proper neat and clean. That's the drinking water area. You can see the message there. So all the taps have got proper drinking water supply here. That's the washroom for the girls. This is a hand wash area, and these are the toilets that are there, neat and clean toilets. You can come and see that. So we've got both Indian system and the Western system in the toilets. Proper dustbin is there, so students, so that there is no dirt around. We've got the air fresheners in the washrooms that have been put up. Now this is for girls, and that on the opposite side was for the boys. There's another notice board. You can see people smiling here on the Earth Day. So we are trying to give them every kind of a message that we can give in the classrooms. Now every floor is guided by one Baiji, right? She takes care of every small need of the student, and there is a watch that tells the student that's the time to start with the classes. We've got a proper table tennis table here. The arrangement for the carom board is there, the arrangement for the chess is there, and the sports teacher has been training the students for all these kind of activities, and students' creativity you can see on the notice boards also. They made a chess ground here, they made a football ground here, so that's the indoor sports room, which is again guarded by the CCTV cameras. So every room is the entrance to the admin block from the students area in case they want to come. Now that's a staircase that leads to the second floor, which is supported by the iron railing so that no accident happens at any point of time. So all these securities have been taken. The staff room where the teachers do their own work, the official work that has to be done, and this staff room is also under the CCTV coverage. This staff room has got separate washrooms, so a proper clean washroom has been maintained here in the staff room as well, a well-lit, maintained washrooms. These are all the vacant rooms of the same size and the same capacity as we saw in the classrooms. Now that's another vacant room. So these are the vacant rooms here that would be used. Now that's another set of washroom that would be for the boys once these rooms become functional. Now that's another vacant rooms. So we've got 10 vacant rooms, still 10 vacant rooms available for the upgradation of the school. Now we are entering the chemistry lab. So that's the chemistry lab that you can see. So it's got a proper set of whiteboard, the chemicals here, and all the kind of apparatus that we need for the functioning of the students. It's a proper well lit with a CCTV camera here also, so that none of the problem that arises in the lab. So every room is covered with the CCTV cameras, proper posters have been put up, proper charts are there in the lab. So this is the physics lab. So there the students work, normally come, and these are the instruments for physics lab. There are security measures here also, CCTV coverage in every lab there. This is the biology lab, and these are the few models that are there for the students' knowledge. These posters there, the slides that they work upon. There is a whiteboard in the lab. If the teacher has to explain something, there is a board there. Now that's the computer lab. Computer lab has got 40 computers for the students. So we maintain it to 1:1 ratio. And for teaching the students, we've got a screen here and a whiteboard for explanation. So whatever has to be shown practically is shown to the students on the TV, so that even the last bencher can see that, and a whiteboard to explain the things. And the whole school is connected onto the network with a proper CCTV coverage here. So library has got a proper set of books that are arranged here. So we've got the journals, we've got the periodicals, we've got the books here. So that's the coverage of the library. And a proper sitting arrangement for the students in the library. It's a well-lit area where students can sit and study at any point of time. So no problem of the lighting is there in the library. You can see fire extinguishers are available there on every floor. So every floor has got fire extinguishers. Now from the library, we are going to the dance room. We got a proper dance room with, that's the dance room here. We've got a proper mirror that is required for the dance on both the sides. System of exhaust so that there is no suffocation into the room. Photographs of the students who participated into different activities that is being displayed here. So many functions have been taken place in the school, and these are the photographs of the students. This is the emergency exit for the students in case any mishappening happens. So that's the emergency exit, which is kept closed and only open in the case of emergency happening here. The smaller ones from the first standard onwards, they are here. So that's another classroom you can see, that's class 2nd A. So that's the classroom for the smaller students with the green board there, again covered by the CCTV, and that's the boards where students put up their creativities, and that's the furniture of a smaller size for the students here in the smaller classrooms. That's another section for 2nd class. Again, a same classroom. We kept them colorful because they are the smaller children. You can see the walls colorful. Creativity for the students here. Another classroom properly lit, CCTV covered and with the boards. That's another classroom. Another section for standard 1. Now this floor again has the washroom. This is again the boys' washroom, and on the opposite side there is a girls' washroom there. This is the girls' washroom for this floor. So we've got separate boys and girls' washroom on both the floors. Now we would be approaching the nursery class. These are small photographs of the students who have been going through different activities. Now that's the nursery class where students, because of COVID, students are not there, but they have their activities, they have their learning. So the learning starts from here in the nursery class. We've put up certain boards here so that they can show their information. Now this is the activity room for pre-primary students. So their play area, their educative aids, everything has been put up here in the activity room. So there you can see the charts for the fruits, you can see the seasons there, weathers there. So this is basically a learning and a creativity and a fun time for students. Now we would be entering the music room, the music area. So this is the music room area where all the instruments, we've got the speakers and the podiums here where the students learn these instruments. They make a presentation on the stage so that they get the confidence of playing the instruments on the stage, and you've got a podium where they can speak and they can learn. This is the server room for the school where the whole display of the CCTV cameras run here. So that's the display where you can see the CCTV camera coverage.